This is a review of the J1350 PRO Jump Starter that I'm going to be doing a review about, and we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get from this package. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get. But a few things to mention: that it's a jump starter. It's going to charge up and crank your car really quick, especially when you have a dead battery. Then this will definitely come in handy. But yeah, without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside the package. So I have the package unboxed, and right from here we get the instruction manual guide if you get stuck or lost on how to do it. So this will definitely come in hand. Right over here we have the jump starter itself too. You can see it's really a high quality jump starter. It looks really amazing, absolutely amazing. I do love the fact that it is lightweight as well too. Right over here we have pretty much a flashlight. So you can use a flashlight if you're stuck in the dark and you're wanting to, like, you're in a location that's dark and you don't see something. This will definitely also come in hand too. Right from here we see the on and off button right over there, and then right from here you can see the brand name right there, the on button right here. Then I believe this is the brightness level for the flashlight that it comes with, and also the jump starter is underneath this that I'm going to be pulling out as well too. I do love the fact that it also comes with a bag as well too. So it's like a storage unit. So to pretty much when you're done using the jump starter, then you can store it in and put the cables and everything back inside. I love the fact that it comes with that as well too. Then right from here, underneath here, we get the negative and positive jumpers as well too. So it's pretty much a plug and play. You plug this into the right over here, and then right from there is ready to be used. And we're going to test this out and demonstrate to you guys how you exactly use it. And we're going to go in the garage and show you guys on I do have a car that is pretty much been sitting for a long time. The battery is dead and it does need a jump. So we're going to go in the garage and see how well this thing works and whether or not if this jump starter is worth it. So here we are in the garage, and to show you guys, this is how you turn it on. So you just press this button, and right there it just turns on automatically like there too. Now it does come with the battery life is right here, but it could need some charging. It comes with the USB adapter to charge it up. And one of the things I love about this jump start is the fact that the light is very bright, and this could be used in various sources, meaning like if you're working on your car to identify some oil leaks or some mechanical work, or if you're stuck in the dark, lights are out and you need like a light and a flashlight. When you press this button right here, you just hold it, and you can see how bright, like this is extremely bright. You can see everything in the underneath the car, spot the oil leaks, or if you're in a zone where everything's dark, then this will definitely come in the flashlight mode. But let's turn this off. You can have it in flicking mode or in the strobe mode, but let's turn it off right here. So now what we're going to do now is jump this car to see whether or not if this jump starter is worth it. So I'm going to be plugging in the negative to the negative and positive to the positive to pretty much see how well this thing works. So let's try this out and see if it works. So as you can see right from this video, you can see how well this thing works. Like I put it in the jump, the negative to negative and positive to positive, went into the car, cranked it up, and it started right there immediately. Like this thing is really amazing. I feel like this is very important to have, especially if you have a car that's, it's been dying a lot and it has cranking issues and you don't know what the problem is, like the alternator or the starter or the battery. You're still trying to find out, and you need that car to be driven every day. It's your daily driver car. This thing will definitely come in hand and definitely come into play. You can see here it tells the voltages, how low this is, and this does show that my battery is very low, and I might have to replace the battery. It's the voltage is very low. You can see right over here, it comes with the flashlight mode, like I showed you guys, very extremely bright. It's not, the other flashlights are not as bright as this one is. I had another jump starter. The brightness of the flashlight was not as bright as this. This is literally amazing. And then not just that, you can use this to charge up your phone. So it comes with a USB Power-C adapter, USB-C adapter, and then another USB adapter for the USB-A adapter. So you can have different, like, you can charge your phones and pretty much like you're going to pretty much at a restaurant or somewhere you need your phones to be charging. This could also charge your phone as well too, which is really cool. It comes with it right over here too on the bottom of this thing. If I pull this thing out right here, you can see that it comes with a USB, so a Power-C adapter, then the USB-A adapter. And this is really amazing jump starter. I would definitely recommend this to anyone, or any car fanatics or any car enthusiast that is looking for a jump starter for their car. This is by far probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely highly recommend this product because of how it's super amazing. You can use this for your trucks, cars, everything. It works for, like it mentions right over here too, it works for everything. Like for all types of cars right over here, it lists to right over there. It tells you for all gas cars, trucks, diesel trucks, everything, you name it. I would definitely recommend this jump starter. And if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one, then this one right here is probably one of the best ones that, like the best jump starter that you could ever get. And I would definitely recommend this product.